Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Headwaters Jupiter, a shipping container eco-retreat in Riverbend Park, Florida. Stay tuned to find out more. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies of the most influential shipping container homes from around the world, plus detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Jupiter Eco-Retreat is a vacation rental in Jupiter Farms constructed from repurposed shipping containers located just across the Riverbend Park in Florida. This retreat is built from 3 shipping containers. 2 containers are placed side by side on the ground floor level, and the second story is formed by stacking the 3rd container cantilevered across the 2 ground floor containers. The 2 containers on the ground floor accommodates the home's main living area. From the entrance, you get into a spacious open-plan living space with comfortable lounge area, a kitchen, and a dining space. A fully furnished kitchen has a small breakfast island and adequate wooden storage cabinets. Next to the kitchen is a small dining that can seat up to 6 depending on your configuration. There is a spacious lounge furnished with brown leather seats, which makes this retreat homely. This retreat has an additional space on the ground floor level for a spacious bathroom that can be accessed by the master bedroom. The master bedroom can be fitted with a queen-sized bed, while the remaining second bedroom on the ground floor level is divided by a curtain and has futon bunk beds. There is a storage cabinet dividing the living area and the bed spaces. The entire space in the house is cooled by portable air conditioners. An external steel staircase links the 2 levels of this amazing rental. On the upper level, there is an incredible view of the river and over 1,000 acres of forest from the spacious rooftop deck. On the first floor level, there are 2 additional bedrooms. Both bedrooms are joined by a common bathroom, and they are accessible to the outdoor deck. The original container cargo doors on the ground floor level have been left intact to act as door shutters. The open space in the container end panels is fitted with full-height sliding glass doors opening directly onto an outdoor deck, ideal for lounging and socializing. On the outside, the containers are left bare in their pristine form. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial style of the retreat. The containers are painted off-white, which makes them to stand out from their forested setting. According to the homeowner, Mr. Clegg, it cost him $3,000 a piece for the 3 shipping containers, and for the 960 square foot house in Jupiter Farms, this will equate to a cost of about $58,000, not including the cost of land. The open plan living room is our favorite space of the retreat. Which part of this amazing retreat appeals to you the most? Kindly let us know by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for these and more weekly videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.